Guys, so as you can see here, we got Baseball 9 downloaded on the iPhone and ready to go. Let's go ahead and open it up and check it out here. So as you can see, we got my Baseball 9, just my regular profile here, but as you can maybe see this little like oval kind of thing right up here. Let me see if I can focus on it. That's actually a switch. My camera is just bad, but if I flip it on, all of my resources go to be literally infinite amounts of resources right there, guys, which is really, really cool. It's really helpful when wanting to upgrade, when wanting to buy. It's really, really nice. So, I mean, you guys understand how this works. You guys understand how Baseball 9 works and all that kind of stuff. I'm sure you're probably a little bit more interested in the actual download process for the game, and that's something I'm going to show you guys right now. These are the two apps that you're going to need for this download process. You're going to need any internet browser. It doesn't need to be Safari, but any internet browser, and your settings app. So that's basically and literally all you're going to need. So let's go ahead and open up that settings app and configure a couple settings to make sure that everything looks right. The first thing is going to be our battery or power mode, our low power mode, battery reserve mode, low battery mode, whatever it may be called on your phone, needs to be turned off for the duration of this download. Since we're not downloading it directly from the App Store and we are downloading it from the WeTweak store, it is considered an external extension, which are blocked in order to reserve power under the low power mode settings on your iPhone or Android device. Essentially, your phone will run too slow in order to conserve power, but when it is conserving power, it disables the feature that we are going to utilize to hack our application. And since that is not what we want, that is not what we need, what we're going to go ahead and do is hop on out of settings with our low power mode turned off. And we're going to enter general, where we're going to go to background app refresh. Let's go ahead and open that up and first notify if your background app refresh is turned on. If it is, and all of your ticks and notations are also turned on, all of these are green, then you are good to go. But in the event that your background app refresh is turned off, go ahead and turn it on by selecting either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. This will allow your app to have a home before it gets externally downloaded and configured. If you don't do this and all your background app refresh is turned off, it could corrupt one of your apps, or it could also corrupt the app that you're downloading and it won't work. And if it's not going to work, then what's the point? After that, guys, .co is the name of this store, and it's essentially like a giant hacked app store. But one of the apps that I like to get on it is Baseball 9 Let's go ahead and hit that install button, where we should wait no longer than a couple of minutes, probably about 60 seconds, for this to download what is called a configuration profile. Essentially, a configuration profile is Apple's word for a hacked app, a hacked application of sort. And this will essentially allow us to go into our settings and configure this app into a hacked app. But first we need to give it permission and allow it to accept that we are downloading a configuration profile, which should be notified through a notification that will appear asking us if we want to allow this download to go through. Baseball 9 is downloaded and ready to go on your iPhone or Android device. Enjoy!